And here's the big wooden body of the chest below. Let's draw a treasure chest. Start with the big curved lid. A long line across the middle for the metal band. A curved line at the bottom for the chest base. Draw a tall strap on the lower left side. Same on the right, another tall strap. In the center, draw the rounded lock plate. Now a tall strap on the upper right. Same on the upper left side. Add the tiny keyhole shape in the middle. Now draw the little round rivets. Start on the left. Same tiny rivet on the right. Add 3 little rivets around the lock. A long line across for the upper plank. Another line below for the lower plank. 2 curved lines on the lid for wood planks. A curved plank line at the bottom of the lid. Color the lock rivets gray. Right side rivets gray too. Same gray rivets on the left. Fill the keyhole with dark gray. Color the upper strap gray. Same gray strap on the right. Fill the lock plate with gold. Lower strap, gray too. Same gray strap on the right. Paint the bottom rail gray. Fill the middle band with gray. Color the lid with warm brown. Fill the body with brown. Thanks for watching. Tap the pencil to subscribe. See you next time.